Hi guys, so I wanted to just do a quick review for you on this wig that was kindly gifted to me from Uniwigs. Her name is Carrie and she's a synthetic lace front wig with some beautiful nice long layers in her. Obviously this one is just fresh out the box. So the cap inside, as you can see, is wefting. It does have the lace front on it, which can be trimmed when you're ready to wear her. It's got the adjustable straps at the back, which you can use to tighten around your head. They're Velcro straps, so they're easily adjustable. This is what the hairline looks like. I think it's extremely good, and the quality of the hair is lovely for a synthetic. Obviously it will need a bit of styling as I have only just taken it out of the box. So when you receive your wig, this is what you receive inside. You get 2 wig caps in different shades, a black one and a nude one. You also receive your welcome booklet as well, which is full of tips and tricks and question and answers. They also have a loyalty scheme in the back. As well as this, you can also attach 2 clips into the wig if you wish, either at the side or around the back. I think this is really nice that they give you these in the package. So let's pop her on. Now I've trimmed the lace, I'm going to just pop her on and show you guys. There's actually no need to glue this wig down. She fits really nicely. Just needs a little bit of adjusting. As I said, she's got nice long layers in her. It's a little unusual for me to have such a puffy fringe, but I do really like it. The hairline is amazing. You can add a little bit of concealer to it if you need. I think lovely. You can tuck her behind your ear, and the way the hair falls is really natural, which is great. Look at that hairline. So I'm going to play around with her.